guys, welcome back again to Tech Time with T. Today I will have coil in spark plug on 2005 Nissan Xterra. As you can see, I got these from rockauto.com again. I got the spark plugs. I got the Denso, which is one of the quality brand from Rockauto, and there's 6 of these. It's 6 coil. And also there's a coil, it's Spectra Premium ignition coil. Basically this is an individual coil. It's not like before there's a different coil. It's older version. Like this is a newer version, which is individual only coil. And the part number is C609M6, and it's 6 as well, 6 units of it. And I want to show you real quick. And here you go, this is the coil with the boot and the coil itself right here with a sensor on it. Hey guys, also I would recommend when you change the spark plug and the coil, it's the process of getting to the spark plug and the coil, you actually have to remove a certain part like the throttle and the manifold as well. So basically I would recommend is put the new gasket for the manifold. Is coming off anyway, and also the throttle, which is that is coming off as well. So to gain access to the spark plug and coil, you need to take out part of these. So replace them. Recommended. Okay, guys, to get to the what's called the coil and the spark plug, like this is under this. What you first want to do is you want to remove everything that color that we can have access to that. So basically you want to do is remove the whole thing here. You gotta loosen this screws for the intake, both sides, and that's what I'm doing. And there's 2 screws over here as well. And one over here. One there, one on the other side. That's what I'm doing. Just have to remove the intake out. That's what you need to do to gain access. Loose. Okay, what you want to do is just also remove 2 back screws here. What size is that? This size is, let me see, size 10 socket for the back screw. And for the intake, it was 8. Just go. 2 screws. Next one to do is squeeze the clamp here and remove the hose, so that way this is loose. Squeeze it. Take out the hose. There we go. Let's take out the air intake. One side, and also on the other side need a throttle. Next, you want to remove the hose which run over the throttle. Squeeze the clip and move it up. Let it go. There we go. It's going to be a 3 clamp on the throttle itself. So just squeeze and pull it out. There's going to be 3 hoses here. Just clamp here, squeeze and take it out. Now I'm actually going to remove the wire harness that is connected to the throttle body. Squeeze and pull, and you're done for that part. Once you take out the clamp, you just pull out the hose. You know there's going to be like a little antifreeze in it. And if you need to put like a pan under to catch it, you can, but just a small amount of it only. And that's all you need. Just pull it out. Actually, there, here. Okay. Open up. Next what we'll do is there's a 2-bolt just bracket bolt, and just holding the bracket to the manifold, and just get that out. It's using a 12mm socket. Do is also you want to squeeze out there's a clip here, it's a rubber clip, squeeze it and just pull it back. It's one on the front and one on the back. There you go, and just move this to the back. Okay, also to remove the bracket which is holding the manifold, it's 2-bolt, actually it's screws really. And you can use the 10 socket to remove that. Yeah. 2 of them, so that's what we're doing. Without taking the bracket out, you cannot remove the manifold and get to the spark plug and the coil. The next thing you want to do is take the bolt here out. I believe this is pulling the, could be the filter, one of the filter and the manifold. This is the bolt right here. There you go. The screw. That one's loose, and at the same time there's a wire harness catching it, so just squeeze it and just pull, and that comes off, and that is it. And as you can see, that's how it looks like. Pretty much clear. A couple more though. This side was pretty much clear. The next thing you want to do is it's gonna be like 7 total of is it screws?
Yeah.
Which is 1 here, 2, 3 in between, 4, 5 in between again, 6 and 7 in the back. The 7 total you gotta remove with a 10mm socket. Guys, once you take out the 7-bolt, you want to wiggle it up, and basically you want to lift up the whole thing. Alright, that's what I'm doing right now. One of the tools you use. Okay. You want to make sure you push the bracket in the back and lift it up, straight up. Should be able to. Here we go. Basically, this is the manifold, as you can see, and part of it. And also, I want to make sure before you lift it up. Once you lift it up, there's another hose connecting. Make sure you take that out also before you're able to take it out completely. Is what we did. That's in the back. Alright, basically I have a clamp. Squeeze the clamp, pull it back, and take out the hose. Then you can take it out.